Dolphins. Andy Dolphins, can you tell us what you do for a living?
Yeah, I'm a natural survivalist. I'm from Perth, Australia, where the perverts are. I am a world-renowned survivalist. I don't need any outside support. You know, most of these people you see on TV, they're not really doing the full thing. They're eating, you know, processed foods while they're there. They've got bottles of water with them. You know, they don't get the full experience. So I'm out here trying to teach some people how to survive on their own out in the wilderness, and definitely to stop pollution because it's a real problem.
Do you think us Parkville, Missourians can handle this?
I mean, I know it's quite wilderness like out here, so quite middle of nowhere. I mean, it's pretty much the Australian bush, but a bit greener.
And do you think you can pull off these 30 days in the wilderness?
I think it's going to be hard. I think it's going to be really hard, but I've done worse, so I've made it. I went to the Apache Mountains. I went to the, you know, I don't even know anymore. All of these other, I just keep going.
Well, there you have it, Parkville, Missourians. Andy Dolphins, she's going to show us her 30 days of wilderness survival. Stay tuned.
I'm Dolphins. You know, they say there's a lot of poison ivy out here, but I'm not scared. Oh god! Well, that's a big old otter out here. Alright, here goes. That's disgusting. There's a big old liver otter. I caught it. We're eating good tonight, boys. This cute little river pup here has adopted me into its own, so I have to do whatever it says. We're gonna climb this hill. Holy! Ah! It's a big old salmon. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh. That was a close one. I've been out here for 6 days and there's been no signs of civilization. I hit my head really hard on something and I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't even know what to think. Like, there were some bloody natives coming down the hill and they were chasing me. They had spears and they were talking in their native language.
Here, let's stop chatting real quick.
Snap, suck face.
Oh, this is the first sign of food after 8 days.
Hey, aren't you Andy Dolphins? I saw you get dropped off like an hour ago. What are you doing on campus? Are you filming?
We have a contract. We have to go. Andy!